On Safari to auto-fill your name, address, email or phone number on forms. Here's how to turn on autofill with your contact info in Safari. Like and subscribe for more iPhone and Safari tips. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Next, tap on Autofill under the General section. Here, you'll see an option that says Use Contact Info. Make sure the toggle is turned on. Right below it, you'll see the contact that Safari will use. If it's not your own contact card, tap on it and choose your personal contact from the list, the one that includes your name, email, phone number and address. Now, when you're filling out online forms in Safari, it will automatically suggest and enter your saved details, saving you time and effort. That's it. Autofill is now enabled using your contact info. Like and subscribe for more iPhone setup hacks and browsing shortcuts.